Top 5 Best Backdrop Stand. Number 5. Efavormart 10 feet by 10 feet Heavy-Duty Pipe and Drape Kit. The Efavormart Heavy-Duty Pipe and Drape Kit offer a versatile and adjustable backdrop solution for photographers and videographers. With a size of 10 feet by 10 feet, this kit provides a square backdrop area suitable for a variety of creative projects. The heavy-duty pipe and drape construction ensures stability and durability during use. The kit includes adjustable uprights and crossbars, allowing users to customize the width and height based on their specific shooting requirements. This adaptability makes the Efavormart kit suitable for different backdrop sizes and creative setups. The portable and easy-to-assemble design of this backdrop kit makes it a practical choice for professionals who frequently change shooting locations. Whether you're capturing portraits, events, or videos, the Efavormart heavy-duty pipe and drape kit offer a reliable and adjustable backdrop solution for diverse creative needs. Coming in number 4. OnlineEEI 8-foot-tall fixed-height portable pipe. The OnlineEEI 8-foot-tall fixed-height portable pipe backdrop stand offers a compact and portable solution for photographers and videographers who need a reliable setup with a fixed height. With a height of 8 feet, this stand is suitable for various shooting scenarios while maintaining a more manageable size for transportation and storage. The stand is constructed with durable pipe and base components, ensuring stability during use. While it may not offer the same width as larger backdrop stands, its compact design makes it well-suited for smaller studio spaces or on-the-go shooting situations. The fixed-height design simplifies the setup process, making it quick and easy to assemble. The OnlineEEI backdrop stand is compatible with various backdrop materials, providing flexibility for different creative projects. This stand is an excellent choice for photographers and videographers seeking a balance between portability and functionality. Coming in number 3. LimoStudio Super Heavy Duty, 20 feet wide by 10.4 feet tall. The LimoStudio Super Heavy Duty backdrop stand is engineered to meet the demands of professional photographers and videographers who require a robust and durable setup. With a width of 20 feet and a height of 10.4 feet, this stand provides a substantial backdrop area for various creative projects. The super heavy-duty construction of this backdrop stand sets it apart, ensuring stability and reliability even in challenging shooting conditions. The thick aluminum alloy pipes contribute to the stand's sturdiness while remaining relatively lightweight for practical transportation. The LimoStudio Super Heavy-Duty backdrop stand features an adjustable crossbar, allowing users to adapt the width based on the specific requirements of their projects. This stand is a solid choice for those working in studios or on location who prioritize durability and stability in their equipment. Coming in number 2. EMART Photo Video Studio 20 feet wide 10 feet tall. The EMART Photo Video Studio backdrop stand is a spacious and reliable option for photographers and videographers who require a substantial setup. With dimensions of 20 feet in width and 10 feet in height, this stand provides an expansive background area for capturing a variety of shots. Constructed with high-quality aluminum alloy, the EMART backdrop stand is both sturdy and lightweight. The adjustable crossbar allows users to customize the width, accommodating different backdrop sizes and shooting requirements. The stand is designed to be user-friendly, making it easy to assemble and disassemble for convenient transportation and storage. The versatility of this backdrop stand is further enhanced by its compatibility with various backdrop materials, making it suitable for different creative setups. Whether you're shooting portraits, group photos, or videos, the EMART Photo Video Studio backdrop stand offers a reliable and spacious solution for your professional needs. Coming in number 1. LimoStudio Panorama Crossbar Background Accessories. The LimoStudio Panorama Crossbar Background Accessories is a versatile and sturdy backdrop stand designed for various photography and videography needs. With a width of 20 feet, it provides ample space for creating panoramic shots and accommodating larger backgrounds. The stand features a durable aluminum construction that ensures stability while remaining lightweight for easy portability. The crossbar is adjustable, allowing you to customize the width based on your specific requirements. This flexibility makes it suitable for different backdrop sizes, making it a versatile option for photographers and videographers. Additionally, the LimoStudio Panorama Crossbar Background Accessories is easy to set up and dismantle, making it a convenient choice for on-the-go professionals or those who frequently change their shooting locations. The robust design and reliable construction make it an ideal backdrop stand for professionals seeking durability and flexibility in their equipment.